Okay, this is the unpacking part. I've already printed out from the manual the pages showing all the pieces, and I've checked them off. They are all here. So I've got brackets. These are the main frame parts. Another bracket, little tools. They hold the frame together. Don't know what those pieces are. So that's one level. There's the bed, the actual bed, and the bed holder. So that's one layer of parts. Other layer of parts. Some tape, clips and bits and pieces, wires. Power supply goes there. I've already had that out. Put some proper leads on it. There's the actual extrusion nozzle. Fans. Belt tightening, more brackets. That's actually the control panel with the LCD screen on it, and that's what we'll use for interfacing with it. Challenge one, get this back in the bag. Motors, plastic parts, feet. This is the main controller board, which will hook up with the USB port. And the motors hook onto there. So that's it. So next stage will be print out the instruction manual and start building it. I've got some rods up here, and this is where the carriages slide up and down. That's it. Loads of bits and pieces.